Hey, everybody, this is Robert Scott Bell, host of the Robert Scott Bell Show with my humble and lovable producer, Super Don, here with some more health freedom. This is a place where you don't have to ask for permission because I certainly don't, where healing is a birthright. And we'll cover a lot of things in the realm of health and healing, even political health and healing from time to time. And I'm glad you're with me here on Epic Times. Now, today, I'm just going to tell you we're toast. The next election doesn't matter. Super Don, I know you're thrilled to hear that. Why are we toast? Well, because Americans in the last year spent $374 billion on FDA approved pharmaceutical drugs. I can go home. I don't have anything left to say or do.
All the
The people are on.
problems of health are solved. Thank you to Big Pharma. That's why everybody's
Exactly.
buying them, right?
Well, exactly. But no, the question is how many of those dollars are actually necessary? How many of the people on FDA approved pharmaceutical drugs actually have an FDA approved pharmaceutical drug deficiency disease? Now, Super Don, I know you're not a doctor, but I bet you'll guess the right percentage. How many of those people, the 374 billion spent, have a pharmaceutical deficiency disease?
Let's see. Calculating. That would be zero, sir.
That would be zero, exactly. Now, this is not to say there's never a use for a drug temporarily to get you out of crisis, but what we have is a culture of permission. That's why I say no permission required here, where we ask the government for permission to do things that which I consider our birthright in healing. If we're spending 374 billion, you want to put perspective on that? That's bigger than the entire military defense budget of China, Russia, and the United Kingdom combined. I hope you're happy, my fellow Americans. We're all on drugs. Well, not everybody. My mom's 80, almost 81 years old now, and she has on, zero drugs. I've talked about her on my show from time to time. Is she an anomaly? Well, perhaps because she's my mom, but she listens to her son. What do I tell her? Well, you don't have a drug deficiency, Mom. When they tried to put her on drugs for osteoporosis, I said, Mom, you're lacking in certain key minerals, particularly silica. She listened to me. She got on the silica, and bingo, bango, bongo, she doesn't have osteoporosis anymore. So we're looking at things as deficiencies, rightfully so. That would be minerals, for instance, versus drugs for which there is no established need in the human or animal body. I know this is a concept too difficult for many people in Washington, D.C. to understand that want to mandate more of the medical monopoly through Obamacare. But Obamacare, the problem is not that it might afford some insurance to some people who may need it. It's the fact that it only covers FDA approved pharmaceutical drugs. Are you getting that through your liver? Perhaps not. That's why they're on the drugs now, because they're dealing with 10 other symptoms that were brought about by the 10 other drugs that they were being given for mineral deficiencies. So there you go. We've got lots more healing to do, and this is another session, if you will, of Health Freedom with Robert Scott Bell and Super Don. Keep checking in with us, and if you haven't gotten my book already, it's Unlock the Power to Heal, and you don't need permission to do that.